this video, we'll be covering delivering your content to Snapplify using FileZilla. Once you've prepared your files, jacket images, and compiled your metadata, you're ready to deliver your content and start selling via Snapplify. After downloading and installing FileZilla, open the application. In the host field, you will type incoming.snapplify.com. In the username field, you would type your unique username, which would be supplied by the Snapplify marketplace team. In the password, it's also your unique password associated with that username. The port number would always be 22. And you click on Quick Connect to establish a connection. For a smoother experience, you can arrange your screen with FileZilla on one side of the screen and your Documents folder on the other. If you have two screens, you can have FileZilla open on one screen and your Documents folder on the other. On the left, I have my Documents folder open with the files that you would previously have seen me prepare. All we have to do now is select the files that we wish to upload and drag and drop them in FileZilla. I will only be uploading the PDF, metadata, and JPEG cover image. So I'll select all three of them. In FileZilla, notice that there's a root folder, assets, and images folder. So you can drag and drop your files into any one of those three folders. Some troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues with authentication, make sure that you copy and paste your username or your password, making sure that there aren't any spaces before or after any of the characters, and as this can cause authentication issues. If you have any errors with the files being uploaded, if it goes into the failed transfers section over here, for example, make sure that you don't have any internet connection issues, as an unstable connection can cause this. Once you've completed the upload, email distribution@snapplify.com with a list of the titles you have uploaded. This allows the Snapplify team to verify that your content has been ingested successfully. If the content did not ingest successfully, our team will provide you with feedback. By following these steps, you can efficiently upload your content and metadata to Snapplify using FileZilla. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to Snapplify for support. Thank you.